Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Linkitom LED strobe light emergency beacon, and this is how it comes to you. This is everything that comes in the box. To power this light, you'll have this cigarette lighter adaptation for power, and then on the end, you'll have the power and mode switches. This light is really simple to use. Simply plug it into the power in your vehicle, and now you press the power button right here, and that will turn the light on, and whatever mode it happens to be in, it will start showing you that mode. Now right here is where you change the mode. Simply depress that toggle and it will go through different modes that this light is capable of. Now this is not a large light, it's compact, and that's what I wanted. So the width is about 3.5 inches at the top, and the base is about 4.5 inches. And this light stands right at 4 inches tall. On the base of this light, that is a magnet. So if you want to put this on the rooftop of your car, it'll work just fine. This light also comes with 16 feet of cord. Now I'm in my garage. I can make it fairly dark in here. So I want to take you through these lights and the different modes. Now I think this is a nice little light. I think you'll like it too. You're definitely going to be seen. All right, so if you're looking at this light, I hope you found this video helpful.